Hello，大家好，多謝大家以往嘅支持啦，for Coach Henry 嘅 YouTube channel 啦，請大家 subscribe， 撳個 subscribe 支持下我，多謝大家嘅not only 你哋嘅時間嚟睇啦，我哋都想每一次你哋用你嘅時間嚟睇咧，都睇到啲有價值嘅嘢，你攞到嘢走嘅，好多謝每一位攞到嘢走嘅朋友仔咧，都有 super thanks 我哋嘅，再支持翻我哋。咁然後又問問題啊，我哋又再 roll 翻個 tailor-made 嘅 video 俾你哋去答你個問題。咁呢個係一個好好嘅 ongoing 嘅cycle 啦，好有正能量嘅。咁我今個 video 咧，想同大家分享咧，again 好多 appreciation 嘅。咁因為以往我都好miss US 嘅，咁 US 有樣嘢咧就叫做 Thanksgiving。咁 appreciate，thank you，thanks 翻我哋嘅 supporters 啦。尤其是我哋發球拍嘅朋友仔，有好多朋友仔會點解我要試你啲拍啊？咁佢哋 give it a try。咁無論佢哋係private lessons 啊，無論係淨係買拍啊，然後臨尾去到買拍送 course 嘅 friend 咧，咁佢哋都全部都喂正喎呢塊嘢。咁我係啊，當然啦。咁我係因為呢塊嘢係自己去設計，用咗好多心機，bomb 料落去，RA 好行嘅，咁嗰個head heaviness 啦，咁再同好多新嘅朋友仔講咧，因為呢幾年咧，我哋真係多咗好多新朋友嘅 ，and it's a pleasure to have 即係好榮幸去俾到好多有用嘅教學俾你哋啦。如果你覺得有用，個故事係本身開始從我細個嗰陣時，我同爸爸咧執到塊白色嘅 Prince 好靚嘅 Spectrum 嘅球拍，因為荒廢咗，人哋唔要㗎，我喺澳洲執咗佢。咁諗起咧，我爸爸咧，如果你哋識我老豆咧，同佢講翻咯喎，我哋可以笑下咯喎。It's good memory， 因為佢咧就擺咗成嚿嗰啲鐵嗰啲包住咗嘅，用啲 duct tape 啊。咁我細個嗰陣時就會去用嚟做 serve 嘅揮動。咁以我哋嘅 understanding 咧，嗰陣時我哋乜嘢都唔識，而家都乜都唔識㗎，成日都當自己。咁喂，如果你瞓啊，或者移動到塊拍即係叫揈嘅，咁你攞翻塊輕嘅，咁你咪strength training。咁其實個 idea 就係咁開始啦。咁諗尾直至到COVID，OK， 咁多年啦，我都有練呢個球拍。And then COVID 我就可以諗尾自己製造咗自己嘅球拍。Because there was somebody special 去話喂，咁你識咁多球拍，咁你咪自己去 produce 塊球拍咯。因為嗰陣時咧 COVID 係冇晒啲 sponsor，跟住 cut cost。咁但係臨尾我先知道，原來整一塊球拍係咁鬼麻煩嘅，好辛苦嘅。咁臨尾 ，but anyway，I got it done because 我哋呢嗰陣時又有出咗本書啦，叫做 STM Training。咁如果有啲朋友有興趣咧，你可以嘟個 code 你都有興趣嘅。咁我哋no pressure， 我哋全部啲嘢都係唔逼人去學嘅，全部都係 share 俾大家嘅。因為以往我自己個人嘅 experience， 咁即係分享少少故事俾大家嘅。因為我哋咧又有另一批拍。而家 right now 係過緊嚟㗎啦，去我屋企。咁所以咧，我哋會特別做一個 special 俾大家嘅。希望呢個 Christmas New Year 嘅時間咧，大家都可以 enjoy 到你自己一個新 gift 啊，或者新一年嘅開始啊，新 serve 啊嘛，新年新 serve 新 forehand，and maybe 有一個 gift 俾你朋友 ，alright？ 咁it's a very good gesture， 因為點解咧 ？This works，OK？I mean，我平時都會好 harsh 我自己嘅 quality control，but 我要 make sure 啲嘢係 good 出到嚟靚，唔係真係嘅咧，我都唔會亂咁出聲嘅。咁我知道當然我哋嘅 wonderful 地區mostly 都係 wonderful 地區嘅咧，係好多 haters 嘅。咁但係 most of the stuff 都係我哋去 share， 都冇話係邊個係唔啱，即係 share from 我 experience 嘅啫。So 做咩都好。You're always gonna have people that have opinion。咁我哋呢個世界咩人都有，但係我哋呢個 channel 真係遇到好多咩人都有嘅喎，即係會 support 翻我哋嘅喎，我係非常開心啊！咁嗱 quality control 嗰度成個故事咧，我希望今日講得晒，因為咧我其實都未食早餐嘅。OK， 你而家望緊下面嗰個咧 basket 咧有個包。But anyway， 嗰個 quality control 係好重要嘅。That's why 咧以前我同你分享可能你哋都知。我係有啲教練係幫我哋手去呢個 natural 嘅 progression 係 哦，你揾啲教練幫手啊，一齊教咁樣。我講到呢度位，大家都明㗎啦。後尾我都覺得算啦。OK，我都係做翻專科。OK， one to one， 我去 deal with 個客嘅。好多會打電話嚟評估咧，就問我係咪你親自教過？我當然係啦，但我明白你哋個 question， 我完全係了解你個 question 嘅。因為點解咧？出邊 ，I guys ready？ 出邊有好多乜乜學校啊，除非啊嗰啲除非 IMG，OK，IMG 我係特別 respect 嘅，因為我 IMG 出嚟嗰度 train 過我出嚟。But now that Nick is gone, it's going to be a little bit different. But anyway, but mostly 啲organisation 啊，咁咪整啲 class send 個教練去，咁個 founder 咧多數咧每一個 class 嗰度咧食2嚿水，15蚊，咁就可以label 做我係 manage 緊，其實唔係自己落去教嘅啫 ，but 可以 get some revenue。咁其實呢啲咧，我係過咗嗰段時間㗎啦 ，OK。我係一定要 maintain 翻嗰個 quality control， 我覺得好重要嘅。我覺得好重要啫，可能你覺得話唔係啊，我嗰啲 OK。咁我係專 target 嗰班係好有要求、想進步嗰班嘅，and 對個 class 好有我要猜，and 我要你塞得好少嘅，我塞 OK， 因為我係客啊嘛，我係球員啊嘛。Understandable， 我完全明白，所以我做咗 Relax Rally 嘅 methodology 教學。但當初依塊拍咧，講緊第一本書咧係嗰個 STM training 係 Shadow Tennis Movement， 係講揮動，即係當一啲球員咧佢隻手咁樣做咧，其實已經係 fall into 我哋個 category 啊！你知唔知啊？嗰段時間你唔好嘥，就係 STM training，STM training.org 你可以睇下，但你可以 scan 個 code 咧。喺塊拍嗰度嘅，你 scan 落去咁樣。咁當然呢個 idea 當然我冇咁叻㗎啦，唔係我諗出嚟㗎啦嚇。咁當然係我哋以前有一位好成功嘅客，OK，去諗出嚟嘅。佢叫我，當然我整緊個 process 嗰陣時咧，我都送個拍俾佢。佢話加個 QR 落去啦。咁我 OK，咁後尾就咁佢係一個 tech 人嚟嘅 ，tech 咁咁I've been very happy with 呢塊球拍 ，and again 多謝好多唔同嘅 supporter 肯試，and 有啲中意飛顏色啊。有啲中意其實唔係咁顏色咁簡單啊，啲中意嗰個 performance 啊，佢係一個 training 球拍嘅定位。OK， 之前我都有 present 俾 Babylon， 佢哋唔中意，因為依塊拍係本身係我嚟揮動嘅。因為例如初同你分享個故事咧，塊 Prince 嗰塊球拍擺咗啲圓片咧，我嚟揮動，之後你攞翻一塊去打嘅。Right，now what happens is 喺我哋個 infantry 嗰度咧 ，off racket。300 gram 同325可以即刻攞去打嘅。Right， so history about STM training。350、375、400以上咧嘅重量咧係我嚟做 strength training and explosive training。咁 and stability training。OK， 因為咧有個慢移動咧，有陣時你要 hold 住個位咧，咁其實咧你係要啲腕咧 hold 住啊，啲 elbow 實住啊 ，shoulder support 住啊，馬步啊，咁咧我係已經有啲 methodology for 嗰啲嘢嘅。但當然喺我哋個 market 入邊，好多朋友仔係唔係個個都係中意打咁 OK， 咁你咪用塊300，and then eventually graduate 去塊325。但325唔係咁簡單嘅，325唔係咁容易打嘅，所以好多朋友仔會 choose 去300開始先嘅。但佢哋會發覺哇，已經夠 performance 啊，咁啊 ，and then they're gonna stick with that。So I'm very happy with this and I'm taking a deep breath and rewind 翻以往嘅 history 啦 ，and it's been really nice to have 依塊。我自己都唔用其他拍㗎啦，而家都，因為其實你要明白，即係可能我唔係千幾萬億富翁啦，因為我係好注重個 quality control。當一個球員肯俾時間去練，俾個機會塊球拍幫佢咧，你咁上下次數咧，你要了解佢咧 ，it's going to help you。你唔了解佢，你唔識點用佢，當然佢幫唔到你。例如揸筷子啊、揸啲筆啊、單車啊、surfboard 啊、skateboard 啊，咩都係啦。你有工具你唔識用，佢當然幫唔到你㗎。但係如果你識用佢 ，it's gonna definitely help you。所以 that's why 我喺我哋嘅 private lesson 入邊咧，我哋會送埋塊球拍嘅。Depending on which lesson package 會送幾多咯。我哋亦都有啲要求 for 嗰樣嘢嘅，就係、是、我哋會即係一 set 拍俾球，使唔使咁多支？ Yes， 因為你遲啲會斷線，同埋咧你塊拍個 grip 咧會濕 ，and 你一定要帶多幾支去練波。球員係會 at least 3、4支，即係以往我嘅世界入邊係會咁樣嘅。我以前打 pro 個個都會攞住一批球拍去球場㗎啦。So that's what we expect for 我哋嘅 clients. So but 唔好講咁遠啦，我哋而家有一批拍係coming our way，有好多唔同嘅顏色啦 ，which I'm gonna try to 去 share in 呢個 video， 你會睇到 ，and it's really nice。本身嘅顏色都有諗埋嘅，點解係本身係熒光色咧？因為你可以睇到個 path，OK， 個 racket path，right？ 咁然後咧喺對面睇過嚟咧，即係例如個 student 用緊咧，咁我就可以睇到佢個 racket movement。我就會知道喂若莫個 swing 係點樣咧，有啲咩 adjustment that needs to be made or doesn't need to be made or what is they're doing it correct, right? So 嗱，呢支你睇緊係黃色嘅，咁當然有陣時咧睇實物係爭好遠嘅，咁咧呢個係熒光黃啦，即係係咪熒光啦 ？And then 我哋有一個新色咧 ，which is a little bit more expensive to make， 就係一個轉色嘅變色嘅，變色嘅係咪啊？咁咧，呢個係我哋嘅3種之一。我哋仲有2隻色咧 ，which 我係會做個 live 去 uncover 俾你哋去 pre-order。Yeah， so it's been really a great ride。塊球拍係幫到好多球員，不過當然你一定要 pair 埋拍埋啲教學先得嘅。So right now 我哋希望俾啲少 sharing 俾大家啦，少啲 history 啦。And right now 我就 wrap off。講多幾分鐘嘅，我就去食我早餐定簽場，因為我 coaching。But 有啲咩 comments 可以隨時喺度寫出嚟啊？咁有興趣嘅朋友可以無任歡迎去 comments 嗰度或者 WhatsApp 我哋去 sign up for upcoming 嘅球拍嘅 release 啦。咁我哋咧都會做個 live 嘅。隨時有咩 comments 都可以問。個球拍同出邊係嗰啲唔同嘅，出面嗰啲佢定位係 performance。我定位係 training 球拍，令到你可以感受到，加埋教學啊，早，佢中意早，佢中意準，佢中意 momentum， 佢中意衝力，同 relax 嘅衝力，同埋佢中意 spin。OK， 如果你打一個球拍咧，如果你次次都係要 pop 全 pop 嘅咧 ，then this is not a racket for you。This is a racket for spin，but spin 得嚟有唔同 degrees of spin， 好重嘅，咁咪彈跳咯，個波 curve 多啲啊。如果你少啲嘅，咁咪就係等於 power 咯。同埋你打唔同嘅 rotation of spin， 就會有唔同嘅拋物線。咁呢副咧，因為球拍嘅頭重咧，令到你感受到個 inertia。OK， 我都俾佢幾個師傅去試過，佢哋都話好拍，不過要識用。咁呢個 of course 我哋係不嬲 expect 嘅嘢啦。咁不過啲師傅一上手就明啊，佢知道嘅。喂 ，OK 喎，重實正 solid。咁當然你唔想一塊腍白白嘅拍啦，係咪先？So for all levels 拍埋個教學，非常重要個教學。So that's why 好多朋友仔都會揾我哋去做評估堂啊，之後咧就會跟我哋上堂啊，去長時間去適應 and develop 係點樣用呢塊球拍。好多謝你嘅收睇啦。咁 right now 你哋嘅時間好寶貴啦，and 希望你喺個 video 攞到嘢走 ，and welcome 你哋去 join 我哋嘅STM family。OK， 係啦。It's been very an honor for me, a pleasure to help you guys. 繼續話俾我哋聽點樣幫你手 ，and 塊球拍送 course 嘅個 offer 都仲延長嘅 ，and 遲啲同大家傾。WhatsApp 我有啲咩問題，希望我哋嘅 creation， 我哋嘅球拍，我哋嘅 course 可以幫你技術更上一層樓啦。